Okay guys, if you would like to see my fabulous foundation routine, then you already know what to do. And if you would like to see this eye look, thumbs this video up and hit the red button. First, I apply my favorite primer. Then I color correct, and I already have a video up on that, so we won't spend time discussing that matter at all. Next, I'm contouring with the Maybelline Dream Mousse, and I'm applying it to the area that I typically contour: forehead, cheeks, and chin area. And I'm just going to blend that out. And now for the star of the show, the Becca foundation. And y'all, I'm still getting used to this bougie foundation. It has a top that pops and a dropper as well. And you just see me applying it, well, trying to anyway. After a while, I just started to swipe it on, as you can see, because I just could not use that dropper for nothing. Now I'm just blending it out with my sponge, and it took me forever to apply it. I also went in with a smaller sponge under the eye area for a more precise blend. Now I'm going in with this brush just to smooth out any areas that I may have missed with the sponge. Okay, and now I'm going to set my entire face with this Airspun setting powder. This is the face powder I'm using today by L'Oreal. I'm just lightly dusting it on my face. Now going in this Too Faced bronzer palette, I'm just bringing back warmth to my face, and I'm just going to apply it where I contoured it. Here I just picked up that brush again just to make sure everything was blended well. Every girl's favorite part of the look. And I'm using the CoverGirl Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. And I'm just basically bathing in it. And guys, I always apply my highlight after I apply my setting spray. I just feel like the payoff is much better. Okay guys, that is it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit the red button. See you in my next one. Bye.